welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So guys, if you are a shrimp lover like me, then you're definitely gonna like this recipe. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super simple herb-crusted shrimp. Guys, it is shrimp grilled on your stovetop, okay? So if you don't have a grill outside like I don't, then you can actually grill this deliciousness up in your kitchen and it's still gonna come out perfectly. It is amazing and yet so easy to make. So if you want to learn how to make herb-crusted grilled shrimp my way, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, do not forget to like this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, share this video with your friends and your family, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please do so right now. I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. So I'm gonna start off by making the marinade for my beautiful colossal shrimp. I'm using the largest shrimp I could find. So I'm gonna be needing some olive oil, about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of freshly minced garlic, because I love garlic, 2 tablespoons of parsley, about a tablespoon of fresh rosemary, habanero pepper for some heat, lemon zest, smoked paprika, and some freshly ground black pepper and salt. That's all she wrote. So now I'm gonna give this a really good mix to make sure everything is well mixed together. Guys, I'm telling you, my kitchen already smells so good. This marinade is to die for. I feel like scooping the whole thing in my mouth right now and I'm eating it because it smells so good, but I won't. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add about 3/4 of my marinade into the shrimp, and I'm gonna be setting aside about 1/4 of the marinade. I'm gonna be using it later when my shrimp is done. Okay, so take your time here and really mix the shrimp, making sure that every single shrimp is covered by that delicious marinade. You can use a freezer bag for this, but I decided to use a bowl because it's not as messy. So now I'm covering it and I'm gonna let my shrimp marinate for at least 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare it for skewering. So I'm gonna be placing it on a flat surface in an alternating fashion, just like this, and I'm gonna pass my skewer through it. So I don't think it really matters how you do it. It's all up to you. This is how I like to do it because it looks prettier and because it makes it easier for me to flip when I'm cooking it. When I use a single skewer, I find that it's really difficult to flip the shrimp halfway through cooking because sometimes the shrimp might stick to the pan and then it tears up and it's messy. So I prefer using 2 skewers just this way that I'm showing you. And guys, make sure that you leave some space between each shrimp because this is going to allow the shrimp to cook more evenly. If it's all packed up there, then it becomes difficult for the shrimp to cook properly. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and guys, this is just the way I like it. You might want to try it, or you can use a single skewer just like this. I'm going to show you how to use a single skewer. Either way, it works, okay? It's gonna work, but I just find that using 2 makes life easier for me. But using 1 skewer would be better for single serve, okay? So you can put about 3 or 4 shrimp on 1 skewer. So this is what it looks like, guys. Now it's time to head on over to the stove for cooking. So I have my grill pan really hot. It's very important to have your grill pan hot because this is going to keep the shrimp from sticking to the pan. Okay, so I'm going to be cooking my shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side because my shrimp is really humongous. I'm using colossal size shrimp here, guys, but if you're using smaller shrimp, then about 2 minutes will be fine on each side. Okay, you really don't want to overcook your shrimp because it's going to end up being rubbery and tasteless. Once my shrimp is done cooking, I'm going to take it off the pan and get ready to eat it. Guys, it looks so good. It looks so beautiful and it smells so good. So this is where the extra marinade comes in handy. I'm going to spoon it all over my shrimp because it makes it look even prettier and it adds that beautiful freshness of the herbs back to the shrimp. So now I'm taking some pictures for the gram. So head on over to Instagram and follow me at @safaid_at_home. @safaid_at_home. So now it's time for the best part of the whole thing, a taste test. Guys, I'm telling you, it tastes so good. You need to try it. It's so good and yet it's so easy to make. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave comments in the comment section down below and let me know what you thought. Share this video with your friends and your family. Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please do so right now. I love you guys. See you all in the next video.